What's up, guys? OnePlus is gearing up with the new smartphone S3 Pro Supercar Peroxylene Collector Editions. The phone is looking beautiful and pretty handy. It has large battery, powerful chipset, and most advanced display. Before unboxing, guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The OnePlus S3 Pro has advanced cooling capabilities, featuring the second generation Tiangong system. This new system features a 9126 ultra large vapor chamber. This new system features a 9126 ultra large vapor chamber VC, which the company claims delivers a 36% improvement in VC cooling performance. The phone also boosts a new AI global temperature control management system for precise temperature regulation. Now let's talk about the display. The smartphone has LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with 4500 nits peak brightness and display screen size is 6.78 inches. This is the best screen size for watching movies and play games. There will be 1264 by 2780 pixels, 450 ppi of resolution, and smooth refresh rate is 120 Hz. And for screen protection, there will be Corning Glass Victus 2, and smartphone will run on Android 14 operating system. The OnePlus S3 Pro packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, achieving an impressive Antutu benchmark score. The device leverages the company's self-developed Tridal architecture to optimize chip performance for maximum potential. And to give more power, there will be 3.3 GHz octa-core processor. And for best graphics, there will be Adreno 750 GPU. The S3 Pro is equipped with 3 RAM options, 12, 16 and up to 24 GB. Means you don't worry about the speed performance of this phone. And talk about the storage, there will be 256 and 512 GB with big 1 TB of UFC 4.0 storage. OnePlus S3 Pro has under-display optical fingerprint reader to secure your data. Now battery, you don't worry about the battery because that will be big 6100 mAh. You can watch movies and play games without any worries. And with carry support of 100-watt charger. Company claims that it will be charged in 36 minutes. Talk about the camera, there will be 3 camera system back on this amazing phone. And main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide, second will be 12 megapixel ultra wide, and third and last will be 2 megapixel macro lens. And front facing camera will be 60 megapixel to make best selfies. Now talk about the gameplay on this phone. The users can experience a stable 120 frames per second gameplay for 6 hours straight in the popular mobile game Honor of Kings. Even with the highest graphics settings at 5G network enabled. Additionally, OnePlus states the phone can maintain a smooth 59.7 FPS frame rate in Genshin Impact even at the highest resolution settings. Furthermore, the phone is said to handle multitasking seamless during gameplay, allowing users to attend calls without any performance dips. The S3 Pro is built with a low temperature aerospace aluminum frame, further contributing to comfortable gameplay during long horizontal sessions. The OnePlus S3 Pro also utilizes industry-first 2K supercritical graphite for enhanced heat condition by 70%. These advancements aim to provide a cooler and more stable gaming experience during extended use. That's all for now and thanks for watching.